Keep track of your appointments, plans, to-do lists, and due dates with CiviMobile Graphic Calendar. All scheduled events, activities, and details are displayed in a calendar in a graphic, user-friendly view. Color indicators mark the type of activity scheduled for the date. For more than a bird's-eye view, tap the date to change the focus to a specific day or filter your plans by type. Tap Filter button located on top right of the screen. Select all or certain types of agenda for display. At the touch of any item on your agenda, you'll view further details: type, status, priority, participants, and case for activity. To switch to the monthly view of the calendar, touch the central bar below the calendar weekly view and swipe it down. Have all your contacts in one place, within easy reach and in perfect order. Spend less time looking for your contacts. To find and reach them fast anytime you need, tap the Filter button and select a contact type, group, or tag for absolute accuracy. Press Apply button and here we go. Suppose you are on your way to meet your contact Alexia when you realize the appointment time is close, traffic's heavy, and location a bit distant. In one tap, call or email Alexia to reschedule the appointment or double-check the details. Should you find yourself disorientated in the location when heading for a meeting, simply tap the destination location and create the route on Google Maps. You never know where you might meet potential supporters. To an event, in an airport, as you step across your office threshold. To generate profiles on the go, tap the Add icon to the upper right corner of the contact screen. Contact details will be simultaneously added into Civi CRM. No need to collect business cards. Write down contact information on a scrap of paper or add it into your phone book. Most likely it will get lost or escape your notice later. CiviMobile will keep you covered. As you arrange future meetups or calls with contacts, select Activities on the lower tab of the menu bar panel. Tap the Add icon and create an activity with all necessary details: name, start date, duration, status, activity type, priority, and contacts involved. The feature may be particularly useful when you make future plans during the meeting. This way you'll instantly check availability of other participants and schedule an activity before other tasks have your full attention. The activity will appear in a calendar of all contacts involved. Meeting a lot of new faces during an event and not being able to recollect details from all meetings later is a downer, yet it can be easily avoided. Tap More button on the menu bar of the contact profile. Navigate to Note screen and create a note. You control who sees the note. None button allows public view. Add notes while socializing at the conference, having a meeting with a prospect, or listening to speakers at different events. Had a lot going on across multiple fronts and forgot to renew your membership? No recollection when you made a donation last time? How about your contacts? Need an instant reminder of their roles, associations, due dates, and contributions. Track the relationships between contacts to make sure you understand how the people, organizations, and your team fit together. Open the contact profile. Navigate to Relationship screen by tapping More button and select Relationships menu item. The Contact section displays how the contact is related to other contacts from your database. In other words, Alexia Jensen is a sibling of Justin Jensen, child of John Morrison, supervised by Alexander Terrell, and more. To assign relationships to the contact profile, tap the Add icon in the upper right corner and establish New Connection. Select Relationship Type, then use Search field to find a contact. Add the date, as and when needed. The Cases section will display the relationship type you've set up with a contact via Cases. From the main side menu bar or profile screen, you'll easily access all contacts you develop relationships with. Look up your contact's membership statuses by navigating to Contact Profile menu panel. Select Memberships. The information displayed includes membership type, start, end date of the membership, fee, submission date, and payment method. Contacts will easily renew their own lapsed membership in one tap from their profiles. Track and renew your own membership status from your profile or main side menu bar. Monitor where the donations come from. Select Contributions menu item in the Contact Profile screen to keep tabs on members' charitable donations. The information displayed includes type, the date the contribution was received, amount, status. The app also calculates total and average amount for you. Your own history of contributions is available for display from your profile screen or side menu bar. Keep important insights from recent events and appointments with contacts. Select Notes menu button to see your notes or tap the selected note for more details. Make use of groups and tags to gather data you need instantly. Navigate to the corresponding menu item and view the groups a contact is assigned to, or add new by tapping the appropriate checkbox. The Smart Group section is configured to automatically add contacts that share specific common characteristics. In our case, contacts that made contribution in 2020. When aptly tagged, contacts are later easily identified and managed. Go to Tag Free section to assign relevant tags, or take it deeper and use tag sets to further segment tags. For example, tag set categorizes the type of nonprofit organization, i.e. educational, religious, training, health services, scientific research, etc. Store custom data about contacts the very moment you obtain it. Swipe down the Contact Profile screen and tap Additional Info button to access data important to the organization. You can edit the information on the smartphone anytime a change occurs. Tasks keep pouring in daily, making it hard to track all the details. Use CiviMobile to organize your activities and leave no loose ends when interacting with organization members, partners, contributors, and employees. Tap Activities icon on the menu bar panel to view your to-do list. The records are organized with respect to the activity start date. The nearest will be the first in the list. After tapping the filter icon in the upper right corner, select the filter you want to apply to the activity list: name, date, status, role, activity type. All activities are displayed in the calendar. Start new activity on Icon tab. Just tap the Add icon in the bottom right corner and fill in the details: name, start date and time, duration, status, activity type, priority, people involved, and details. Select any activity to view the details. The details are editable upon a tap on the pencil icon, so you'll easily assign or unassign activities to particular users when need be. The activity will also show up in the assignee's calendar. As you tap the case section, you'll view an activity not as a separate task, but as part of related interactions within cases. Make use of cases to better manage the workflow, distribute case-related tasks, and coordinate activities. Bring news updates from your website directly to CiviMobile users and build support for your organization faster. To keep users informed about the organization's latest initiatives, make news RSS feed publicly available. Or you can also restrict access to registered users only, who will view the news feed from the side menu. The initiatives and news you share are displayed as a stream of the latest updates. Each item on the list is presented with title, description, tags, publishing date, author's name, image if available in RSS feed, and link to a website for more information on each update. Wish to maximize every moment of your time at the event? Have a hard time fitting everything in? CiviMobile is your personal assistant. The app integrates with the whole event experience. Easily find and keep track of your organization's upcoming events. By filtering all events by type, date, or title, you'll focus on those of interest to you. View full event details to plan your time at the event. Share event details with friends and connections across social media networks. Register conveniently on your phone to skip long lines at the registration desk on the event day. Generate ticket with QR code for the fast and optimized check-in process. No worries about missing out on anything important. Push messages with relevant information will reach you timely. CiviMobile is your event information hub. Access it anytime to check event agenda, view session details, learn more about speakers. As an event participant, you'll also have all required information about event venues, like maps, directions, and parking information at your fingertips. Bookmark sessions. Build your personal agenda and track any alterations to have event experience you'll remember as rewarding. The Agenda section, displaying 3 buttons, Sessions, Speakers, and Venues, is part of the Event Details screen. A tap on the Session button will bring into view the calendar with all event sessions placed within their corresponding time and date slots. They'll also discover the session topic, read brief description, check out speakers and event venues. Tap star icon to bookmark the session or touch the screen on a specific session to view further details like info about speakers and event venue directions. When event session jumps from maybe to sure thing in your plans, bookmark it by tapping the star icon in the top right corner. All bookmarked sessions are displayed in User Personal Agenda after a touch of the icon in the upper right of the session screen. Tap the Speakers button and scroll down the list of speakers who will inspire, enlighten, and educate audience with a message at the event. To learn more about a particular speaker, tap the person's name and navigate to the Details screen to find out about speaker's experience, qualifications, interests, sessions run at the event. Speaker avatar and company name redirect to the corresponding profiles. Check the speaker list or profile anytime you need at a session, when interacting with thought leaders, or when making a last-minute switch between sessions. When an event extends through several days and multiple locations, it is helpful to have event venue addresses and instructions in CiviMobile to refer to any moment. That is particularly true for visitors heading for an event from other regions, cities, or country. Tap Venues button on the Event Details screen to view all active venues. A small circle next to each shows the same color as the one highlighting sessions held in that venue in the calendar. For more information, tap a specific venue to read description pointing out unique features, event setup style, transport solutions, etc. Venue schema will give visual presentation of event premises, indoor-outdoor space parking, seating charts, location of booth, stalls, and facilities, etc. Switch to navigate to build route to specific location. If event is open for registration, you'll find the Register button on the Event Details screen. It's color-coded to indicate visibility and availability for registration. The registration form is automatically populated with data. Put a check mark next to event fee and proceed to in-app payment through an integrated payment processing system, PayPal, Authorized.net, Stripe, etc. Registration functionality also allows registering other contacts for free and paid events, assuming you have event owner permission. Then go to the Participant section on the Event Details screen and tap the plus button in the upper right corner. After registering for an event, the system will automatically generate a ticket with unique QR code for use at the event entrance. Find the ticket icon in the upper right corner of the screen to view your ticket. The event will now appear in the My Events section. Have a memorable experience at the event. There is more the app offers to users who value simplicity, security, offline functionality, relevance, support, and customization opportunities. When doing fieldwork or having face-to-face interactions outside the office, don't stress about poor internet service or no connection to wireless signal at all. CiviMobile continues to work while offline. Access, add, or update data and have that data automatically sync with web version when internet connection resumes. To protect your data from unauthorized access, set a 4-digit PIN code. If a PIN is set, users are prompted to enter the PIN code whenever you launch, restart, or recover app from timeout mode. You can also enable fingerprint authentication. Think of CiviMobile as a means of building a strong community. Get the same equally rich app experience, but in your preferred language. As the app global outreach expands, so does a list of languages CiviMobile has been localized for. CiviMobile speaks your language. You can have your own hands-on experience with the app on CiviMobile demo website. The login to the website is open, so try the app. Test every feature. See it in action to fully grasp its potential for your organization. The app is highly intuitive. Besides, there is an in-app guided tour for first-time users with detailed instructions and illustrations. Launch the app and watch the interactive demo session to get started. To ensure you use the app efficiently, turn to CiviMobile Online User Guide on the website. The guide is easy to navigate, and there you'll find answers, solutions, and info about recent updates. Wish to make a connection with your community in a more meaningful way? Then give the app the name, look, and voice of your organization. Upon request, CiviMobile will be featured on the App Store and Google Play Market with your branding, in particular, org name, logo, colors, domain, and custom features. Download the app and put the power of the best CRM for nonprofits in the palm of your hand.